Best drinks to increase your sexual stamina. Sexual endurance can help you know how long your partner stays in bed. The body undergoes several types of changes with age, and this is the case with one's sexual stamina. Men can suffer erectile dysfunction, while women can sometimes observe vaginal dryness, due to which sexual life is often affected. Error loading player. Network error and inactive sex life or poor performance in bed can lead to low self-esteem. If you and your partner are physically inactive and cannot perform well in bed, this is the right time to increase your sexual stamina. No need to worry, couples who have problems can follow a healthy lifestyle. Some are the best drinks to increase sexual stamina. These drinks undoubtedly increase their sexual stamina and can facilitate a better sex life. 1. Aloe vera juice. Research has shown that aloe vera juice has the ability to increase the production of testosterone, which will increase the libidinally boost the high sexual energy in men. Aloe vera juice consists of nutrients that are good for your health and that in turn help to energize your body as well. 2. Watermelon juice. Watermelons are rich in amino acids called L-citrulline, which has the potential to strengthen your erection. Watermelon juice improves blood flow to genital area that helps strengthen the erection. 3. Apple juice. Apples are a wonderful fruit that is known to boost your sexual stamina due to the high levels of an antioxidant flavonoid called quercetin. Drinking apple juice daily will help you in spending more time on bed. 4. Milk with honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that helps to elevate your sexual stamina. Honey combined with milk will aid in maintaining a steady sexual drive and will provide you with maximum benefits because it contains all the nutrients that provide an instant energy.